Welcome to Elliana's Slime Channel. This is my guest star, Kayla. Yeah, I forgot. Hi. Okay, so today we're making
butter slime, clear
butter slime. It's really weird. So we're gonna make clear slime first, but it's gonna be like have yellow paint in it, and then add our. Okay, ready? What do we start with? So ready? Open the clay real quick. No.
Oh.
So, I love model method. If you add lotion to it, it will just turn into slime.
How much do we need? Probably like that much.
No.
Oh wait, we don't add it now.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's add glue.
Let me go first. Oh my god. Okay, that was way too much. You saw that?
Yeah.
Don't add a lot. Okay, that's good. That's how much I did. That's how much I did.
Okay,
let's measure that.
Cap on it, maybe? Oh, wait, sorry, just so you guys can see. I think they're about the same. You have a little bit more. Okay. No.
Who cares?
I'll just...
No. Okay. They're the same height.
Wait, we don't need to tie it.
Okay, now we're going to add our color. Yellow.
So it looks like butter.
Beautiful clear. Oh my god.
Oh, that looks cool. I'll show them.
Oh my god, this looks so cool. Look at it. Oh my god, Mom, look at it. I'm not going to mix mine without yours. You made a star? Ready?
Yeah. So I'm made a star. Let's see. I think I might need a little bit more, but and at the end we're gonna mix it to make a giant slime. Butter. Yeah, giant slime.
It's not clear anymore.
Mine's like has a glossy clearness. Because I added only a little bit. That was smart. Well, that looks cool though.
Oh, that's not slime yet.
Oh, no, did. Dude, this doesn't even have any yellow on it. You didn't mix it. Oh, neither did I.
Yeah. It's coming together. It looks like I did white glue, but no, it's clear.
Make sure it's like you have enough Tide before you put it on your hands if you don't want to get your hands dirty, but we don't care getting our hands dirty.
That's the fun.
No. Until your hands get so dirty that you can't even touch anything.
So before this video, we did experiment, and we put a bunch of trash and slime.
Oh my gosh, it was so cool. Did you throw it away already?
What?
Did you throw it away already? Because we could show them.
I threw it away. But it was like trash slime, and it was really cool.
It was really cool.
So like that was like a big. We tried to ever activate it until it like can't take any more activator.
Yeah.
It was really weird. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, our next video my next video might be
Blindfolded slime making.
might. You don't know.
I might be different.
Yeah, see. I'll probably call Kayla for that because she's my like best friend.
Yeah, we do everything together.
We're not in the same class though.
We were Yeah.
We were
not
last year.
But like the year before, but we were still like really close last year. We've never been this. Oh wait, in third
You
grade.
want to make it a little sticky because the clay won't stick.
Yeah. Okay. I think mine's good. I'm gonna start like hitting it with my hands.
Same. Guys, look at it. It feels so cold. Like
I know it is cold. So how we made this so far is we used Elmer's clear glue.
Yeah, Elmer's clear glue, washable, and then we used acrylic paint.
Acrylic paint gloss, and it's yellow.
So butter, and it's
For, like, the
glossy.
butter.
And then we did
Tide,
clear tide,
or Tide free and gentle.
free and gentle. So it's like gentle on your hands. It's not gonna be harsh like
Yeah.
other tides.
And it's not going to change the color.
Yeah, because other tides can like
keep it nice and
your
calm.
other tides can hurt your hands.
Yeah. Or it can like make your slime really hard.
Yeah.
And it's also really good for clothes.
Yeah. So like
it's meant for
win-win.
It should be.
I
I think Tide was meant for slime.
So
but
comment down below if you want us to do the
blindfolded slime.
blindfold challenge.
Because that's
slime challenge.
That sounds really cool and fun. You better invite me.
over. Okay guys, I have some of my slime, not all of it as you see. It already feels like a buttery texture.
That's good because then it really added it. I think we shouldn't have added so much yellow because it doesn't really look like it looks more like mustard.
Yeah.
But you know, it's okay, right?
Well, I should have. You're fine.
Yeah, mine's like buttery. But like butter, when you think of butter, it's more white though.
Yeah.
But like it has like
TV,
like
TV shows. That
but
it's
like when you change it, like when you melt it, it looks like tinted yellow.
yeah.
It's really weird.
Yeah, when I was at my friend Jillian's, you see on my other video that Jillian was here with me making slime. We went to her house once and we melted butter and we put it all on our popcorn and it was all yellow.
Yeah, that's why that's what kind of yellow looks like, but not this dark. So maybe we should have added.
We only have 12 minutes. We need to add our thing.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna add our
Can we do it? Okay. Okay. Wait. No. Okay. So, wait. I'm gonna finish kneading mine. And then we're gonna add it.
It already has a like nice buttery texture.
So this is I know. So this is what our segments look like right now.
Not even funny. Feel mine.
Oh my gosh, hers like
I
feels like
know.
wait, let me get like my exterior. So
Look
this is
at
what
it.
our sides look like right now.
Guys, I love making black butter slime. It's
Oh
so
yeah, it's so
satisfying.
cool.
And comment down below if you guys want to make us. Do you want to
Have us make
cloud slime?
cloud slime. Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Or Elliana.
So we're gonna start adding clay. So let's add a little bit first, like a tiny little bit.
Okay.
Oh, that's way too much.
Yeah. Just like wait. Oh wow.
Okay, guys, ready?
Oh my god, clay. So this
So
is
keep
our magic
adding
molding.
So we're literally using magic molding.
That's like the best because if
And
you
I
have
use white because it will just dye your slime like a different color if you use
oh
different
my
color.
gosh, we should have just made clear and then added yellow, but we didn't have yellow. So. Yeah, or if you really wanted it to look really
I
buttery,
do have yellow. I bought a lot.
if you have yellow magic molding slime, yellow magic molding, you want to make this, just use yellow because it looks way more like butter because like it's not as dark, but
To put more clay in it.
and then we'll show you the end result.
Okay,
But we can always go fast if we have to. If it goes like 12 minutes or like 13 minutes. I think I need a little bit more. Shoot! I got a little bit of that, but that's okay.
sorry. I still have to mix all my clay and my hands are really tired.
I know. But it will look really cool and after.
Oh my god, my hands are gonna fall off.
I know.
Put this out of the way so they can see.
Hey, the kids in mine now.
Oh my god. My hands hurt, my elbows hurt, everything hurts.
I know. My hands are so dirty. Look at it.
And fart.
Oh, it's like
I love making slime.
a little finny.
Yeah, my dog, little Finnegan Lindsay.
He's so cute.
Look at that slime
Oh
swirl.
my gosh, yeah, that's so cool.
That's what I love about butter slime. Makes so
Yeah.
many good slime swirls.
I think this is probably enough after I add it. Wait, can I feel yours? Oh, mine's like way harder.
Let me see. No, it's not. You need to add more. It's not buttery.
No? But yours is buttery.
Yeah, get more clay. You're adding it, making it buttery.
I know.
They can be different if you want.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be fully buttery.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that slime swirl. I mean, it's not you're the best, but
Kayla, she didn't realize.
she makes like the best slime.
Greta Garcia does.
Yes. Oh my! So make sure to check out her channel too.
So makeup, yeah.
Check out her channel.
Which everyone probably already does.
I know. If you're watching hers, you might probably.
So like and subscribe, people.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell.
Yeah, and make sure to comment if you want us to do like the next blindfold slime challenge. Gee! Oh, look at Finn!
Finn's my little puppy that I just got. Oh my god, he's licking my toes.
Ooh, look at it. This is good. Ooh, it's hard though. It's like really hard. It's buttery though. See, it won't stretch. Mine won't stretch now.
Do everything, girl. So guys, if your butter slime's like really hard, then just add more
Normal slime.
Yeah.
But like, you know,
Mine's perfect.
like
See,
mine's
look
a
at that
little bit
slime swirl.
hard. Mine's a little bit hard, so I'm gonna take my
See, mine's a little hard, so
and I'm gonna take some of hers because she left extras. This is like my second time making butter slime, so I'm not that knowledgeable, but she is, and she taught me to like leave extras in your bowl just in case this happens. And I mean, I'm pretty sure it might not. It probably won't, but
I think of butter. I think that it is like a good thing you put on things. Like everyone likes butter.
except for if you're
I'm allergic to dairy. No, I can have butter, but I just can't have other things. Like I'm allergic to dairy, to milk, to sun.
dude,
Guys,
butter's made out of milk.
Go follow me on Musical.ly too. Go follow me on Instagram. Okay, guys, so we're gonna make a little
Since they're
more
both
clear.
really hard, we're gonna make a little more clear slime.
In a little bowl.
Cause like this is like really hard, and as you can see, it's like hard. Can I have some?
Really?
Really?
So jiggly. That's my dog running around.
Okay, no more talking about your dog.
And by the way, follow me on Twitter. I don't have Twitter, so don't.
Nice. So you can always make extra if you really need, like if it's really hard, like I'm doing, or you're doing. Look at it, it's so small. And then you kind of just mix it. Hey, don't put it in front of my face. Just mix it together, and now it's like actually getting good, buttery.
Sorry, my mom was there back there changing the song.
You want a different song?
No.
Be like this.
Can't touch this down.
Had to get her number. So like 6 weeks.
Oh, man, that's so hard.
I think this was a fail.
Well, we can still fix it. I think it actually is.
I think it's fine.
Mine's actually really good. It's just like a little bit hard. I think we added in too much clay. But, you know, it's okay. That's why we only add in a little bit. But let's add them together.
I just got a bunch of slime on my dog.
I want to add them together now, and then we can always.
Hold on, feel mine first.
Okay.
Feel mine first. That's switchy.
Okay, switchy. And then we'll.
There's not even buttery. Mine is really buttery.
Yeah, yours is like really buttery, and mine isn't, because I added so much other slime to help. And for this extra slime to make it not as buttery if it's too hard, you can over-activate it, it's fine. It's not even gonna matter.
Guys, a big butter slime. This is gonna be hard to mix.
Okay, well, you put a little bit of this in. We'll help
So
it.
cute.
No.
Okay,
Wait, can I feel it?
okay, bye guys. Bye. Like and subscribe.
Oh, that's a big one.
Did you stop it?